Magandang araw mga kabayan. Ito po muli si Engineer Alejandro, isang OFW, ang inyong stock tambay. Muli handang magbahagi ng kwentong kalakal at kuro-kuro mula sa Philippine Stock Exchange. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa aking channel, huwag kalimutan mag-like, subscribe, share, at pindutin ang notification bell para updated ka sa bagong videos na aking i-upload. And we're here again for the OFW Average Trader PSE Weekly Performance Review. We are happy to be here again to share the latest happening in the Philippine Stock Exchange. But before diving in, I would like to send our heartfelt gratitude to the regular viewers of this channel. We thank you for continuously supporting us. In return, I will work very hard to give and share with you the most significant information and signals in interpreting the market using the chart through our technical analysis. Let us begin with the PSEI index. This week's performance of the PSEI apparently show a continuation of retracement from last week, then followed by 2 consecutive days of investors' pessimistic sentiment ranging from 6,482 to 6,335 as they go out of their position and ended up with 2 solid bearish candles. Though there was a temporary pause in selling last Wednesday, that gives us an opener of 6,343 and closing of 6,375 that gives us a green positive candle. Then after that, the market showed a pessimistic sentiment on Thursday as selling pressure continued to persist as we closed at 6,305. And finally, our weekender gives us a bit of optimism as the market opened at 6,335 and closed higher at 6,413 level. So, overall for this week, the movement shows a continuation of retracement with a pause at the support level but keeping its upward trend intact in a short term. Before we move on to our individual stocks from my regular watch list, I just want to emphasize that my main basis of deciding to buy or sell is a chart reading or technical analysis, where technical analysis is a method of evaluating statistical trends in trading activity, which typically involving price movement and volume. It is used to identify trading and investment opportunities. Unlike fundamental analysis, technical analysis focuses on price and volume to draw conclusions about future price movements. Now let us proceed to Ayala Corporation. So since Ayala Corporation has no significant news for this week, while going into the technical side of the company, it is quite obvious that the movement is a reflection of PSEI, as it also went down and paused at support area as it continues to do consolidation or sideways movements. While MACD and moving averages appears to move away from the positive side in terms of signals. So, an opportunity for short-term trader to buy at support and sell at resistance level, while long-term investors also have the opportunity to slowly enter while the price is at bargain, with opportunity for a bigger future gain. Next is Ayala Land Incorporated. Ayala Land continue its regular buyback program as it consistently execute a share buyback of 2.7 million shares on Tuesday and 1.5 million shares on Thursday, as the current price remains cheap. Technically speaking, chart shows that it has confirmed its pause last week and now moving sideways as it consolidates and probably gathering strength, while MACD and moving averages are in its pessimistic side. Next is BDO. Under our banking sector, declaration of property dividends. BDO disclosure issued this week about the property dividends have provided the details as 54.229 million treasury shares for an entitlement ratio of 0.009205 based on the closing price of BDO shares as of record date is 155.1 peso per share. Now, based on the chart, it is also undergoing a retracement and trying to stay within its support area. Well, holding position is the best option to do right now, as the MACD and moving averages is not quite decisive right now. Next is Converge. One of the most interesting stocks right now is Converge. The strong first quarter performance continues to keep investors as optimisms. With its consistently improving performance, better chances of sustaining its upward trend is a big possibility. Holding your position will give a high return in the long term. While MACD is already projecting upward and moving averages is very positive. And for this week, it is already showing that we are at the new support area or support level. Next is Jollibee. Jollibee press release of 2025 first quarter financial results. Jollibee Group reports first quarter financial results deliver double-digit growth in revenue and operating income. While the chart tells us confidence with Jollibee's good performance as it continues to recover and push upward in a short period of time. So basically, it already trying to recover this fast and currently moving sideways on its new support level. While MACD is already above zero and moving averages appears to be bending upward and the remaining are still very near and might probably break these areas by next week. Next is Metrobank. April 30 issued for Metrobank books net income of 12.3 billion in the first quarter on strong performance across segments. While chart says it bounced down at the level of resistance though shows bullish movement before it paused. Enter at new support area to enjoy future gain as it might continue to reattempt to break this previous high for more than 2 years already. While the MACD is bending downward, then we just have to wait a little bit more, and moving averages appears to a bit undecisive. Next is MegaWorld. MegaWorld's robust performance in the first quarter, posting a 16% year-on-year growth in net income to 5.83 billion pesos. Consolidated revenues expanded by 11% to 20.93 billion pesos, driven by solid contributions from all the company's core businesses, such as residential, leasing, and hotel operations. While the chart continued to move sideways as it stays at support area, while investors sees opportunity to enter at bargain price. MACD is already above zero, while the movement is apparently on a sideways manner. Moving averages, some of it are already very near, but it went a little bit higher. Then we probably have an opportunity to buy at this level of support. Moving forward to SM Prime. SM Prime builds 1.7 billion peso SMXCITE, a large-scale venue rising within the SM Mall of Asia complex to boost meetings, incentives, conferences, and exhibitions capacity. So while the chart shows retracement almost the entire week but appears to get attention before on the week, giving newcomers to enter their position at a bargain price. So in a sideways movement and pause at this level of resistance and a chance to buy at this level. That is why the week ender we have here is a bullish candle, while moving averages stays at the same, and we will see in the coming weeks what will happen next. And last but not the least, our JGS, the featured stock. JG Summit Holdings Incorporated, or JGS, one of the largest conglomerates in the Philippines, posted higher consolidated revenues of 98.2 billion pesos in the first quarter versus 96.6 billion in the same period last year. This performance was driven by the sustained leisure demand plus covering domestic consumption, declaration of a regular cash dividend of 0.42 per common share of ex-date May 29, 2025 on a payment date on June 11, 2025. So it is apparent that JGS is already moving on a higher low formation and currently trying to build a new support level as it breaks this level of resistance. That's why there are new investors coming in, and there is optimism in this specific stock. While MACD stays positive and projecting upward, we might expect a continuation of moving up in the coming weeks as it reaches the 200 moving averages to challenge. And that is all we have for this week. In case there is a stock you want us to discuss on our review next week, you may send a message or comment in this channel with a domain name OFW Average Trader. You may also choose to reach out by sending me an email at engineeralejandromagno@gmail.com, or you can also send a message in my Twitter account or send a direct message in my Facebook page named Engineer Alejandro Magno. Take the opportunity while it is offered free. There is no secret to success. We just have to keep going and work harder. We will only lose a battle the moment we stop trying and believing. Before we finally end this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this channel to your friends, family, colleague, and fellow OFWs currently looking for a passive income. This might help to share the gift and opportunity to be financially literate. It might also help them secure their future and save their hard-earned money from price inflation. I hope you're learning a lot from this video. Thank you for keep supporting this channel. Have a nice day and see you on my next video. Ciao.